Introducing a new sound to multilingual language learners. Listen as I say these words with the same sound. Snake, sky, soap. What sound was the same in all three words? Let me write the words for you to see. Snake, sky, soap. What do you see at the beginning of each word? Right, the letter S. And the sound is S, just like what a snake says. S. Our keyword to unlock this letter sound is snake. Do you have a S or an S in your language? In Japanese, we have sashisu seiso, but not the S or S all by itself. En français, nous avons S pour serpent, la souris ou le soulet. SD. Do you know the keyword for snake in your language? What's your word for snake? In Japanese, hebi is snake. En français, serpent means snake. Let's use that word in a sentence. The snake is slithering. The snake is slithering. Say the letter name. S. Say the keyword. Snake. Say the sound. S. Now let's write this letter in the air. We'll make our S sound just like a snake as we write our letter. Up and over and around the other way. S. I sound like a snake, and S kind of looks like a snake. Watch me put my hand in the air and write an S. Up and over and around the other way. S. Now you try. Put your hand in the air and write an S. Up and over and around the other way. S. Just like a snake. Great work. Now let's try on the whiteboards. Up and over and around the other way. S like a snake. Great work. S says S like a snake.